Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise the pending topics of chapter number 1, that is plant reproduction. And the topics we will revise today: agriculture, crop production, in which we will revise what are crops. Then we will revise our different stages of agriculture and how can we protect the crops. Okay, so let's start with our agriculture crop production. If we talk about agriculture, it is the practice of farming to grow crops. Okay, now do you know about the crops? I told you that crops are the plants that are grown in large number in a farm on a large area. Okay, like wheat, rice, maize, these are the crops. Now if some crops are grown in the summers and some are grown in the winters. If we talk about the season of their growing, crops are of two types: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. The crops that are grown in the winters or grown in the beginning of the winters and harvested at the end of winters, those crops are called Rabi crops. As these are grown in the winter, so these are also known as winter crops. And if we talk about Kharif crops, these crops are grown in the monsoon season, means these are grown in the beginning of monsoon and harvested at the end of monsoon. So these are also known as Kharif crops. And the examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, potato. These are the examples of Rabi crops. And if we talk about the examples of Kharif crops, then your maize, rice, these are the examples of Kharif crops. Okay, now we will discuss about different stages of agriculture. Means to grow a crop, farmer need to practice different stages. Number 1, plowing. Plowing is the act of turning the soil with the help of a plow. And why this turning is done? Because turning will lose the soil, and this loose soil allow the air to enter easily. And then sowing is done. What is sowing? Sowing is the scattering of seeds in the farm, and good quality seeds are used to grow good yield of crops. Then manure and fertilizers are added in the soil. Why manure and fertilizers are added in the soil? To provide the nutrients to the soil. And plants, they take the nutrients from the soil through their roots. And then irrigation is done, because for proper growth of the plants, water is also needed. And this irrigation is the act of supplying the water to the crops. And this is done at regular intervals. Then along with the crops, there are some unwanted plants are also grown in our farm. So we need to remove the unwanted plants. That practice is known as weeding. Weeding is the removal of unwanted plants from the crops. Okay, after weeding is done, then if our crops are ripened, then there is a need of harvesting. Harvesting means cutting and gathering of the ripened crops. And after harvesting is done, our crops need to be properly stored. Means storage is done. Okay, storage protect the crops from moisture, from rats, from moles, and from insects also. Now after agriculture is done, farmers need to protect the crops, and farmers need to protect their crops before harvesting and after harvesting both. Firstly, we will talk about protecting the crops before harvesting, like when the crops are in the farm. Then the farmers need to protect them from grazing animals, from birds, from insect, pest, rats, and moles. To protect the crops from grazing animals, fences are made around the farm by the farmers. Okay, and then to protect the crops from birds, scarecrow is made. Okay, then if we talk about protection of crops from insect, pest, rats, and moles, insecticides and pesticides are sprayed to protect the crops from insects and pests. And if we talk about the protection of crops after harvesting, After harvesting, farmers need to protect their crops from moisture, from insects and pests. At that time also, to protect the crops from moisture, proper storage is done in airtight containers. Airtight containers. And to protect the crops from insects and pests, again insecticides and pesticides are sprayed. Okay, so this was all about your chapter number 1, plant reproduction. Hope now you all will be able to attempt all the questions given in your worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.